Scenario 1. Modern residential house. It is a modern residential house model, aimed at achieving high living standard of the citizen. There are 5 key functions in this smart city. In the morning, when the housekeeper leaves his or her house, the motion sensor detects there is a suspicious stranger wandering around the door. An email alert is sent to the housekeeper through IFTTT. The alert frightened the stranger and he leaves immediately. Second, the raindrop sensor and the humidity and temperature sensor is continuously sending climate information to the IoT platform ThinkSpeak. Third, the noise sensor on the street is detecting the noise pollution index. Those information are to evaluate the comfortability of the city. Fourth, at 6 p.m, the street becomes dark. The street light turns on. The street light is controlled by IFTTT Cloud. It turns on at night and turns off in the next morning every day. Finally, the housekeeper comes back from his work. He travels by his car. The distance sensor of the smart car park detects there is a car coming in. The light sensor detects there are vacancies, and the